Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to this market update through YouTube. So just speaking about the Dow Jones today, because it at the end of last week dropped into correction territory. So now it's all of the major US indices that are down over 10% from their highs. And so the question now being, does it drop further towards a bear market and 20% declines, or does the market get bought up from here? The fact that we've already been down in this vicinity and it's not been significantly been bought up before is a point of concern. And if you look at this chart behind me, this is the weekly chart that we have for Wall Street, which we trade for the Dow. You can see there's this rising trend line here. We've already dropped through the 20 and 50 week moving averages. The 200 week is in this vicinity as well. But this break through this rising trend line, which does have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on it, 5 perhaps, and now we've had the break lower, is a bearish signal. You can see the market last week tried to rally up off the trend line, but eventually dropped through it and closed lower. So now the question mark being, what do we do this week? If we get the follow through this week, it could be a pretty sharp drop down towards this 23,500 mark, which is a level which denotes these couple of lows over here and this sharp pullback that we had over here. Basically the bottom of what has now become a big rectangular trading zone rather than a trending market. Now if we drop down to the trading time frame on the 4-hour chart here, if I just remove some of these bits I drew in from before, you can see that this was the this has been a major swing low here. We rallied up, weren't able to take out the longer term peaks up here, dropped through, and we've been trying to push through this 24,250 on several occasions, rallied off it here, false break here, rallied off it here, weren't able to make a new high here, and now we've dropped through it, and this was the weekly close down here below it. So theoretically, now that we've got this weekly close below it, we need to hold below it. So any retest of 24,250 should be confirmed, and then we roll over to first test this little spike low down here, but I suspect eventually down towards this major trading range bottom down here, which is that 23,500 level. So in summary, in terms of the short term, 24,250 really the one to watch here. If we can push back above it, it's a good sign for a last gasp Santa rally. But if we drop below, if we maintain below it in this key week where the Fed is deciding on its interest rates, we may be looking at a pretty quick and hasty decline down towards 23,500. All right, thank you very much. Jasper signing out for today, and good luck trading.